Hey yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's King Bril coming back at you again with another video, man. And man, I'm so sorry, you guys. I've been super busy. I mean, super busy, man. Like, I've been running here and running there and running here and running there and running here and there. Yeah, bro. But it's been a really busy time for your boy, you know what I'm saying? The company's expanding, trying to make sure we get everything right, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But that's not what you're here for. You're here because you want to know what the difference between a leave-in conditioner and a deep conditioner is. You know, conditioning is something that King Bril is gonna talk about. I don't talk about nothing else. You feel me? Without any further ado, let's get to it. All right. So first things first, where do they fit in terms of your hair routine? Like, when do you do both of them? All right, so check this out. Generally, if we're talking about a wash day, right? A proper wash day, most people would just have your shampoo stage, boom. Then what you would do is you would bring in some type of leave-in conditioner to help yourself detangle. You know what I'm saying? One method that you could do is first you can hit your hair with the shampoo. You know what I'm saying? You shampoo first. And then some people use leave-in conditioner as the detangler. You know what I'm saying? So you get your hair all wet, put the leave-in conditioner in your hair, then you detangle, then you rinse that out, and then you come back and put the deep conditioner in your hair, hop out the shower, let it sit for a little bit, then you get back in and rinse that out. You know what I'm saying? Then what you do is you might not hit your hair with the deep conditioner a couple times a week, but you'll probably hit yourself with the leave-in conditioner, you know what I'm saying, every couple days. You know what I'm saying? So first thing is they're at different points in your hair journey. You know what I'm saying? Your leave-in conditioner on your wash day is gonna come in as you detangle. You know what I'm saying? Then when you put it in, you gonna leave that in for like 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? You're not using it to detangle, you're using it to like re-moisturize your hair. So that's the first thing. The second thing, like I was about to say, was the leave-in conditioner. You're gonna use the leave-in conditioner way more than you use the deep conditioner, especially if you got high porosity. You feel me? If you got low porosity, you're gonna use it a little bit more than you use the deep conditioner, but high porosity, you can use a leave-in way more. A deep conditioner, man, you probably want to use that at most. You want to use it once a week. You don't want to do it no more than once a week. You know what I'm saying? Once a week, some people do twice a month. You know what I'm saying? A leave-in conditioner, you can very well do twice, even 3, 4 times a week. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? It just depends on your hair. You know what I'm saying? Your hair. Not my hair, but your hair. Not my hair, but your hair. Not his hair, but your hair. You feel me? So that's something you gotta figure out, you know, how much does the hair dry? Is the deep conditioner that you're using, not I'm using, but you're using, is it sufficient enough for you to have to use the leave-in conditioner? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And if you see me waving this bottle around, this is because this is my second bottle of the official Rich Royals leave-in conditioner. You know what I'm saying? I used the other bottle, you know what I'm saying? You can't really tell because my hair done got dry again, but I haven't deep conditioned it since I took it out of the braids, so it's still kind of dirty hair. Don't laugh at me, but I still haven't washed my hair from the time I took out my braids like 3 days ago. But I've been using this leave-in conditioner and I love it, man. I honestly done ran through a whole bottle and this is my second bottle. But yeah, man, this stuff is pretty good, man. I can't wait to actually detangle my hair with this stuff, you feel me? Because I feel like it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying, like the deep conditioner, it's got the slip, but I've used this like a normal leave-in. Like I just put it in my hair, it kind of took off, you know what I'm saying? Because it's a leave-in, you leave it in, you know what I'm saying? So I just put it in my hair a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Felt good, and you know what I'm saying? I went on and done what I had to do with it for the day. But I haven't used it in a wash day because I haven't had a wash day, you know what I'm saying? But I got a lot of hair, you know what I'm saying? So I ran through, this is 12-ounce bottle. I ran through this pretty fast, you feel me? We gonna see, you know what I'm saying? This weekend we gonna see how it is as a detangler, you know what I'm saying? If you guys don't know, Rich Royals is releasing the leave-in conditioner on the 20th. However, there's only 200 bottles being released, so you kind of gotta pre-order. If you know, you know. You gotta pre-order it to kind of get that. And if you don't get those 200, you gonna have to wait till it drop the next time, you feel me? So y'all do what y'all want with that information, richroyals.com, whatever. But the next thing, you know what I'm saying? The nutritious part of it. The nutritious part of the, you know what I'm saying? Which one has the most ingredients? Which one has the most jam-packed? Which one has the most benefit for your hair? You feel me? All right, so if we talking about immediate results, I'm talking about like quick in a jiffy, you know what I'm saying? I would go with a leave-in conditioner. I'm talking about if you ain't got nothing but 10 minutes to make your hair pop, I would go with the leave-in conditioner because it's very, very quick and active, you feel me? But if we talking about, you know what I'm saying, over time, what's gonna give you that fire and make you look like you got that good stuff, you wanna be using a deep conditioner, you know what I'm saying, over time, and that's gonna get you to where you wanna be, you know what I'm saying? Using a leave-in consistently, it ain't really gonna compound. It's not gonna get better every time. It's just gonna give you that, you know what I'm saying, that quick, you know what I'm saying, that quick go, get up and go, that quick get up and go that you need, that quick get up and go, you know what I'm saying, like this, get up, go, like that, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna give you that quick get up and go. So the leave-in is not really for compounding results and getting better, it's for just, okay, my hair's up, how can I get it better, boom, all right, let's go. But the deep conditioner is gonna be something where I'm gonna do it this week, I'm gonna do it next week, and then after that, it's gonna keep better and better and better and better and better, like a step, you know what I'm saying, like a step, boom, 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 boom. Every time you use it, boom, 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 boom. But you don't want to use it too often, you know what I'm saying? You want to use it every, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But in terms of which one has the most nutrients in it, a deep conditioner is always going to have more oils, more conditioning aspects, more, you know, moisturizing ingredients, you know what I'm saying? Like different things like honey, you know what I'm saying? Because it's going to be a thicker consistency. Like deep conditioner is almost always thicker, you know what I'm saying, than a leave-in. Almost always, pretty much always thicker in some shape, form, or capacity than a leave-in conditioner. A leave-in conditioner, it might have a few very nutritious ingredients, but it's not going to have too much, and it's not going to be too thick, because if it was too thick, it would take a little bit of time for your hair to digest that, you feel me? Versus if it's lighter, your hair can just pick it up, go. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Pick it up and go. That's really the huge differences between the leave-in conditioner and a deep conditioner that you can kind of apply universally throughout all products. You know what I'm saying? No matter what product line, whether it's from Rich Royals, whether it's Miele's, Shea Moisture, those three are the kind of, you know what I'm saying? Those are the differences that, you know what I'm saying, that you can kind of see, and that's gonna be consistent throughout every different brand, you feel me? Hey, if you're watching this, you notice that I didn't upload this video on a Thursday, I uploaded it on a Saturday. So that means if you're watching this, the Rich Royals Deep Conditioner is back in stock, all right? It's back in stock, and if you ain't watched the video to this far, you would know. Oh, and that's also another difference, you feel me? If you got a curly hair routine, you probably won't be using the leave-in conditioner, you know what I'm saying? You probably want to opt for the deep conditioner and then the curl cream, you know what I'm saying? But if you just want like a wash and go, like you don't want your hair to curl up too much, you know what I'm saying? You don't want it to shrink too much. Like you got like a ponytail, you trying to wear like a big puff. You don't want to shrink it up and curl it up too much. Then you want to use the leave-in, you feel me? You want to use the leave-in, you feel me? What are you looking at, bro? What are you looking at, man? Oh, God. Like I was saying, I won't really saying nothing. Make sure you guys keep asking questions down in the comments. You might catch me on live tomorrow. King Bril, peace.